everyone, Melissa here, just jumping on to do a quick video. So Jill happened to be talking to the owner of Peachy Stamps, and she's going to sponsor a giveaway on each of our channels, and that would be Jill's channel, my channel, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. It will be a $30 giveaway. Yes, $30 giveaway, one on each channel. So what you have to do is to leave a comment, and then next week, Friday, the 2nd of February at 9 a.m. is the cutoff date for you to leave comments. It is USA only, and we'll draw the winners, and you will have them on next Saturday. Comment on each channel. Thank you so much, Peachy Stamps. We appreciate you. And so on to my card share. Coming on today with hashtag 2 Crafters 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. I will also be entering this into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. Both of these are open collabs, so you can join right in. I'll have the ladies' links down below. So this week's theme was Peachy Stamps. Next week's theme is to use alphabet. So if you have alphabet dies, alphabet stamps, or if you just want to cut out some alphabets and use them, that is perfectly fine. So let me show you what I am creating with today. So I am using one of these little gingers, not sure which one, and then I'm also using this little face right here, and the outfit, I am using the girl outfit there. And I'm using this Yes, which came from Ellen Hudson, which she's since closed her doors. So I asked Gloria if she would send me some of these, or she asked me, whichever way it went, because I wasn't able to get mine. And she sent me those, so I was so happy to have some. And then I am using this Queen of Craft set called Crafty Queen, and I'm using several different items from there. So this is too cute. And this, which I recently picked up from Erin Lee Creative, and I love this set. So let me show you what I created. Fair warning, cuteness overload. Yes. So adorable. She is just already prepared to craft with all of her crafty goodies. She just looks too cute. And then this background die here, this didn't come with a die. However, I scanned that into my computer and used Silhouette to make a background for that. So I thought that was perfect. Turned out super cute. Love her, love her, love her. She's adorable. And I use my gel pen to add the little accents under the eyes and those freckles on her cheek. And I just inked it up. Not sure what I inked it up with, because I had this made prior. I just had to do the dress. So, but love that. Added some gems on there, and I used the infinity rectangles for the inside. So if you have the time, make sure you enter into our open collab, and also enter Jillian Norwood's collab, which is hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. I'll have everyone's links down below. That's all I have for you. Check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.